Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to send good quality videos from iPhone to Android. And it's literally an easy process. Make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. To send high quality videos from an iPhone to an Android device using Google Drive, follow these steps. Using Google Drive, ensure that Google Drive is installed on both your iPhone and Android device. Then, open the Google Drive app on your iPhone. Tap on the plus icon or the new button. Then choose the tab Upload and choose the video you want to send from your iPhone's Photos or Files app. Then, allow the video to upload to your Google Drive account. The time it takes will depend on your internet connection and the size of the video. Once uploaded, open the video file in Google Drive. Go to the Home section, find the video, tap on the three dots, More Options, next to the video file name, then choose Manage Access from the menu, then make sure it is set to anyone with the link. Tap on Copy Link to copy the shareable link of the video stored in Google Drive. Paste the link into a messenger chatter. Now, on the Android device, the recipient can open the link and view or download the video from Google Drive. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.